Have you been searching for the best way to start affiliate marketing but feel stuck or overwhelmed? Maybe you've heard of how people are earning thousands online with affiliate marketing and thought to yourself, can I really do that? The answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start affiliate marketing in 2025. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to begin, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey, what's going on? My name is Markus Naves, and I know exactly what it's like to feel lost when starting out. I was a construction worker who suddenly found myself unemployed, with bills piling up, and my family to feed. That's when I discovered affiliate marketing, and it completely changed my life. By the end of this video, you not only know how to join affiliate programs, but also how to drive traffic, create content, and start making money online. Step number 1, what is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products or services to others. When someone purchases using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Think of it like telling a friend about your favorite coffee shop or restaurant, but instead of a thank you, you actually get paid. This simple, scalable model is what makes passive income through affiliate marketing possible. Step 2, why choose affiliate marketing in 2025? Affiliate marketing is bigger than ever in 2025. Major companies like Amazon rely on affiliate marketers to drive traffic and sales because advertising costs keep rising. By partnering with these brands, you're not only helping them grow, but also building a reliable income stream. And the best part, you can do this without a website or any upfront cost. Step number 3, how to choose your niche. The next step is picking a niche. This is critical for your success. Here's my rule. Choose something that you're passionate about or have knowledge in. When you're excited about the topic, creating content becomes natural. For example, I started with tech and software tools I already use, like the ones I relied on to manage my time and organize my new business. Here are some example niches: fitness, tech, personal finance, beauty, travel. Don't overthink it. Just make sure there are products in your niche that people regularly buy online. If you're interested in fitness, for example, think about promoting workout gear or supplements. For tech lovers, affiliate marketing Amazon products like gadgets or software is a great start. Step 4, join in affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. Simply search your niche plus affiliate programs on Google. You'll find options for big companies like Amazon, Shopify, and more niche-specific brands. Signing up is free and easy. Affiliate marketing step-by-step is about finding products you believe in and sharing them with your audience. Step 5, creating content that drives traffic. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Your goal is to help your audience solve a problem or make a decision. Here are some content ideas you can try out. Number 1, product reviews. Share your honest opinion about a product and include your affiliate link. Number 2, how-to tutorials. Teach your audience how to use a product or service. Number 3, top 5 lists. Highlight your favorite items in a category like top 5 gadgets for 2025. Here's a pro tip. Faceless YouTube channels, blogs, or even TikTok videos are a great option if you don't want to be on camera. Passive income affiliate marketing doesn't require you to be a social media star, just consistent at posting. Step 6, driving traffic to your affiliate links. Once your content is ready, it's time to drive traffic. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest are great for free organic traffic. Use targeted keywords like affiliate marketing without a website or how to get started with affiliate marketing to attract the right viewers. You can also use email marketing to keep your audience engaged and drive repeat customers. Step 7, outsourcing for scalability. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, you don't have to do it all yourself. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can help you find freelancers for tasks like script writing, video editing, voiceovers, and thumbnail design. Here's a pro tip. Clear instructions go a long way. Outline exactly what you want and you will save time and energy while scaling your business. This is how you can start affiliate marketing at scale without spreading yourself too thin. Step 8, how to get paid. Getting paid is the best part. Most affiliate programs pay via PayPal, direct deposit, or checks. Always double check the payment terms when you sign up. When those commissions start rolling in, you'll see how rewarding it is to make money with affiliate marketing. And there you have it. Everything you need to start affiliate marketing in 2025. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency and the right strategies, you can build a profitable business online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest takeaway. If you want to see what affiliate programs I'm crushing it with this year, make sure you check out the free video inside of the description. It's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.